Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can change the profile picture of your YouTube channel. So this is a very simple trick. First of all, you have to go to youtube.com and here you must be signed into your YouTube account. Okay. So here you can see I have already signed into my YouTube account. So I will go to your channel section and from here you can easily change the profile picture of your YouTube channel. So here you can see if you will click on this, then you will be directed to the YouTube Creator Studio page and here you have got the option of change. Okay, so you just have to click on this change. From here you can browse from your files. Okay, so just select the picture which you want to add to your YouTube channel. So here I will go to downloads and this is my picture. Okay, now you can scale your profile picture. So I will click on this done and the final step is you have to click on this publish. So it's done. It will take some time to be reflected on your YouTube channel. Okay, so that's how you can change your YouTube profile picture. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.